Hello guys, this is my first vlog in Roblox. Sana i-subscribe niyo naman ako or i-like. I'm trying to just be a small content creator. Kahit mga 100 subscribers lang ako, okay na yun para sa akin. And today's we are playing in Roblox, which is Grow a Garden. I know this game is very popular right now because it has so many you know like because it's very popular right now because it's very I don't know what is the reason, but it's 850k and it's just 2 million for I don't know, I just heard the garden ascending or they just said it's boring. So let's play Grow a Garden. So we are now in Grow a Garden. So mag-hatch lang ako ng eggs. Pwede sana makakuha tayo ng ano dito. Can you explain? What is the enchanted? Garbage pets, okay? So yun guys, ang pag-ano ko na mga pets. Wala na, in-announce ko kasi. Yes pa siya? Okay. It's so laggy. Ang lag. Guys, nakapagod yung time. It's 5:30 p.m. Parang sa Encantadia ka. Parang asa, ano ka? Sa Adamia. Hey guys, magpapaano lang ako dito. Talaga sa cellphone ko eh. Ang unti lang in-increase. Ano kanina guys, nakatinig ko. Tapos ngayon, 15 pa lang. Okay, pwede ka na mag-teleport. Siguro dun sila naiyak or nagalit or nainis. Oo, dun ata sila nainis. quintillion shekels. Kasi nag-giveaway ako ng trap username nyo na guys para trap username nyo na yung pangalan sa Roblox. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 quintillion shekels. Yung mga mayayaman, huwag na kayo mag-ano. Okay. Joke lang. Yung mga mayayaman, huwag na kayo mag-comment kasi 160 po, 160. Guys, paano ma-enjoy yun